Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the ColorPick Eyedropper Google Chrome extension because it's one of the best color pickers that I've ever found that actually works on Google Chrome. So what you do is go to Google and start typing in ColorPick Eyedropper Google Chrome extension. Press search and obviously make sure that you're actually using the Google Chrome internet web browser. From there, it's this first one, click into there, and it's the ColorPick Eyedropper Google Chrome extension in the Chrome web store right here. You can either go to just type it in on Google, or you can go to the Google Chrome web store and actually type in ColorPick Eyedropper from there. And from there, there's this blue button on the right hand side, add to Chrome. Press that and then confirm by pressing add extension. And that's going to download and install the ColorPick Eyedropper extension in your Google Chrome browser. So we can see that it's actually activated right here, but go to the extensions, and then from there you can pin the extension so that it shows up on the top right in this sort of bar section right here. So when you want to actually use the Google Chrome extension, you have to go to a website that can help you use it. So I'm going to go over to Canva. And then it's basically going to have so many different colors that we can actually pick from and find out the RGB or the color hex code. So from there, once you're ready to use the Google Chrome extension, click this button. And then from there, on the bottom right of the screen, you can see that it's activated. And there's this sort of, and you can see this the color picker moving around the screen right now. And let's say that we wanted to find out this, the color of the video sort of button right there, that pink color. We could go in here and find the exact color that we're looking for, and then click it, and then that's going to confirm that the hex code is E950F6, or the RGB is right here, and you can control and copy, or just control C to copy it, and there you go, you can use it in other projects, and you have the exact color code right there for future usage. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.